everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply disable your account on Zoosk. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead step into our video. First of all, go ahead, access your Zoosk on your mobile Kenview app, or you can go to your browser and sign in on www.zoosk.com, and then go ahead, tap on your profile and tap on this account option afterwards. Once you have done so, this kind of another interface gonna appear with all of your accounts information, including name, language, email, password, mobile phone, and here in the account status you can find this active and deactivate. Simply go ahead, tap on this deactivate option, and now you gotta provide reasons why you want to deactivate and why you're simply leaving. So go ahead, choose a reason, including I met someone, I had trouble using Zoosk, whatever is comfortable for you, and then tap afterwards continue, and then it will show you this account deactivated. Your account was successfully deactivated, on your profile will no longer appear on Zoosk. If you change your mind, you can again go ahead, access your account in your app or on your website and tap on reactivate account, and simply will be able to deactivate a particular account, the disable one. That is how you can simply disable. So deactivating is one of the way, and if you simply want to delete your account permanently, you have to contact Zoosk support. Simply go to contact us and go to contact Zoosk or support. Simply tap on this blue icon, and then it will provide you a way of contacting. You can simply go to these numbers, go ahead, you can call them and directly let them know that you want to delete your account, disable it permanently, and they will simply show you, let you know the other ways around for you to do so. That is the way you can solve it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.